Howdy folks, welcome back to another part of the Turbo 350 rebuild here. Went ahead and I got all new seal rings on the pump here. Got to replace 5 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're getting ready to take our spring retainer here, and we're going to take our pump apart, clean it up, and then we'll be ready to install that. But before we get too far, we're going to go ahead and start assembling our direct clutches here. As you can see, we got our direct drum in here. We got our forward drum and our direct drum in here. We got our snap ring on here. As you can see, the roller clutch works like it's supposed to. It's a one-way roller clutch. So if you turn it the other way, it turns the whole assembly. Turn it the other way, it turns free. That's the way it's supposed to be. There's another one in the low and reverse. So all this is done. It's seated down in the lugs. So the next thing we're going to install now is we have a pressure plate and our clutch set right there. But before we get too far with it, we're going to install our band. So we'll grab that. I got the new band out of the kit. I've soaked it in Dextron 3 transmission fluid. And it installs one way. Okay. So here's our new band. Came with our kit. Installs one way. I've already pre-soaked it in transmission fluid. It's getting wet. It's not dry. So we will install that. And it goes one way. This little piece down here has to line up in the case. Like so. This gets pulled back. There we go. Now it's installed. There we go. And wait to check. I got a pick here. I'll stick through the hole in the servo here. So you can see it's tightening up just like it's supposed to. So we are good to go on our band. Alright, the next part we're going to do is we're going to assemble our pressure plate and our forward, our direct clutches here. We'll get that in and that'll be on the next part. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.